Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. All right, we're going to take out the Baltic B, do a speed trial. And what I normally do is I'll do a straight and level speed test, land, and then we'll go into a dive, a hard dive, and just see how fast I can make this little guy move. So the first speed test is the most accurate. The second one really is just for fun. All right, make sure we're reading. With a GNS performance analyzer, you need, when you're like this, you're in the Bluetooth mode, you want to just keep it as close to the vehicle as possible. Okay, I am reading, so I can set that down.
Motor is on. Be careful. Starting the fun over.
Timer set for 4 minutes. Get turned around here. KM model afterburner inside there. Very stable L-39. And the Baltic Bs they are an actual group. I don't remember. I want to say they're Slovenian. I don't remember now.
Takeoff flaps.
All right, they got no wind, so we're going to have takeoff flaps. Running a 2700 6S China Hobby. I think it's got a 40C discharge.
Flaps, the gear is up.
All right, what we're going to do, we're going to come down here to the other end of the field. Okay. I'm going to turn around here. All right, now I'm going to punch it. This is going to be my straight and level speed test. I'm thinking about 80 mile an hour.
Mid gains.
All right.
Landing flaps. Retracts deployed.
I haven't flown this plane in a little while. This is my first Christmas present that I actually got right before Christmas.
Braking. Cruise mode.
Because I had a little ordering snafu, and I was able to get it with much to the chagrin of my precious. She had bought me the plane, and I bought the plane, and I told her about it. She's like, "Oh, I'm going to kill you." And I'm like, "Why?" She said, "I bought you that plane." So I got to keep it. Stop. Read. Not bad. I wasn't too far off. 92 mile an hour. 92 mile an hour in straight level flight. So we'll go back. Okay. We're going to hit start. Okay. Make sure I'm reading. I just need to see a little bit of movement in the gyro or the GPS. Now we're going to put into a hard dive over here. We'll just see how fast I can make this little guy go. Remember, okay, 92 miles straight and level. I think I said 88 or something like that, so not too far off. All right, take off flaps.
Do your hard dive to the right.
Do what?
Do your hard dive to the right.
Hard dive to the right. Okay, she wants me to do the hard dive to the right.
Flaps up, the gear is up.
All right, we're going to go straight down here. Take it up. Flip it. Full throttle. All right, that should give me my speed run.
Landing flap. Retracts deployed.
I'll tell you what, that Baltic B livery, you can definitely see that real well. Slight bit of flare at the end.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Hold on. You start bouncing like that, you bounce too high, power up and get out of it, because otherwise you're going to drop a wing on you suddenly, and you're already that low. You're going to have a really bad day. So go ahead, if you got the juice, got the power, don't try to save it. All right. See what kind of speed run we got. Sorry, that's our phone going off.
Prop secured. Safe to approach.
All right. Stop. Read. Huh. 88 mile an hour. Well, you know, it's the second, battery's gone down some too, but you know what? I'm going to see if that wasn't a fluke. I know the battery's been used a little bit. We still got a minute and a half. We're going to do that again. Just because we can. Just because we can. All right, we're reading.
Take off. Flaps are up. Motor is on.
We'll go down here. All right, we're going to take off. All right, battery's complaining to me. Take it up.
Time remaining 1 minute. Retract. 30 seconds.
See, look at that. All right, look at the afterburner. Well, now it's not. See, it's starting to flash on me. Means I'm dipping too much in the throttle. Starting to get low on the battery. It's just a nice little visual indicator that says you need to start thinking about your final approach. All right, we're at 9 seconds left.
Starting the fun
On a
run.
4-minute timer, we can go ahead and do our battery report here. I do not have a smart telemetry receiver in this one. 91 mile an hour, and we're as high as 302 feet, trying to stay underneath that 400 feet by the AMA. All right, so what I said, 92 mile an hour, not bad. All right, make sure you turn your app off, otherwise the performance analyzer keeps searching. All right, the rates that I flew in, high rates, ailerons, 100% throws, 30% expo. Elevator, 100%, 30% expo. Rudder, 100%, 50% expo. Okay. Flap settings, small amount of mix, flaps up are 100%, takeoff are 50% with 5% down elevator, landing 0% with 15% down elevator with a 2-second deployment. Okay. Plane features flaps, features lights, very nice suspension gear, and the only thing I have done in the way of mod is given it a clear coat of the polyacrylic mid-wax, dropped my battery checker, and I put in the KM model afterburner, which is absolutely beautiful. After almost 4 minutes of flying on that China Hobby 2.76S with a 40C, I had 22% left in the Baltic B. I forgot to check it and tell you. All right, folks. Well, thank you so much for watching. That's my speed trial on my Baltic B. Had a good time. I'm going to try maybe get an SMC 6S in here. See if I can't get her up over 100 miles at some point. All right, y'all have a good one. God bless y'all. God is good. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, Baltic Bees, and Precious, thank you for the plane. Bye-bye.